Next, Redditch Model Railway Club's 00 gauge Oakenshaw shows to good effect the extensive use of buildings, accessories, scenic items and the art of weathering. The layout portrays a Yorkshire mill town in a valley, centred on a river crossing. It also represents the layout during its short-lived northeastern region period. The layout can hold 24 separate trains in its 16-road fiddle yard to ensure something is always running. Oakenshaw was deservedly awarded the Visitor's Choice Trophy, receiving the most visitors' votes during the weekend.